Those are dual receptacles, duplex receptacles. And this is an east-west installation. There goes my dog chasing that jackrabbit. Oh, well, that's a cottontail. Ah, that's not good. That's not good. He didn't catch it, so we got no dinner tonight. Alright guys, I wanted to give you a little walk around of some solar projects that I have done. And the owner here wants everything independent and redundant. Triple redundancy, space shuttle, rocket launching, NASA stuff. So what we've done is install a series of small systems. This one is we've got a 3,000 watt inverter. We've got a 60 amp MPPT that can handle up to 150 volts. And then we've got two 100 amp hour power queens attached to this one. Very simple system. Now all it's running is, it's got a small above ground well pump out here, which is pressurizing the water to this cottage and this outdoor restroom is what this is. So it's running that, and inside we have a outdoor light on a photovoltaic switch, so it comes on at night. Then we have our interior lights here, and we put the interior lights on timers because this is meant to be like a bed and breakfast campground type of situation, so we don't want any lights left on. So I put I think it's a 60-minute timer in here, so it runs this light, also runs the light and fart fan here, and then these lights I think are separate. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this outdoor restroom has got, what did I put on there? I think I put 3 250 watt panels on the roof. And I don't know if you, yeah, I've got 3. They are, I think they're 29 volt underload, like 35 VOC, 7 amps. But so we got 750 watts going into these batteries, and this system has very little use on it, so that's kind of a nice small system, and they're fun. I like to do those. This system was installed before I got here. It's well installed system. The only thing I don't like about this is that they put 8D batteries in it. Fortunately, this cottage doesn't get used very much, so the batteries stay pretty charged. But this is a 48 volt Outback system, and it's got 8D 12 volt batteries in here, wired in series, 4 in series to get the 48 volt system. And they are, I think they're AGM, but they're really not designed for solar use, the batteries themselves. So again, I didn't install this system, but I mean, it's not bad. They did a good job. You know, it all looks clean and it works. This system is a couple years old, maybe 3 or 4 years old now. So what I'm doing today is a very minor solar system. I'm not sure what the camera can see, but here's a solar panel, and what that solar panel controls is some security cameras. These are wireless solar powered security cameras, and then they go to some wireless routers, and I think they call them access points, which is really not my cup of tea, but this is a really good customer of mine, and she asked me to put these up, and I said, well, they got solar panels on them, so I could do that. And so now I'm learning how to be a security guy and a IT tech at the same time. Not that enjoyable, but I'm mounting several security cameras here around the property to get surveillance and recording. They're motion detecting, night vision, and I don't know, I think these ones are about 60 bucks a piece. So some people say, well, the app they use is Chinese, and so they're invading your privacy. They're stealing all your information. They're watching what's on your cameras. But honestly, I'm more concerned about my own government surveilling me than I am about the Chinese. At least the Chinese are going to find out when surveilling this off-grid property that, yeah, it's true. There is a gun behind every blade of grass in the United States, because that's my kind of customers anyway. By the way, here's some gratuitous footage of Harley, my mental stability health dog. Honestly, he just goes everywhere with me, because I don't go anywhere really, because I've become a hermit. But the places I do go, like this place, he comes out and runs around and chases the jackrabbits and has a good time. And I guess I have to find him some water in a bowl to put it in, because it's hot today. Over 100 once again.